Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So, as you could see, pre-New Year performance on all markets across the board actually doesn't let us to be bored, and this activity really very significant currently on the markets. Actually, we have thought that probably we will not get strong action as we've got yesterday. So it just confirms the bullish background that we have discussed. It actually brings nothing new to our major view on the markets right now, but it led us to set more extended targets this week, although we thought that probably market will be limited with the closest standing targets. So once again, if we'll take a look at the weekly chart of the dollar index, that's actually the major background for current performance. As we already explained yesterday, market has no significant bearish on the downward action, no FIB supports, acceleration here, and actually standing to this target. This environment, when the market actually has the free space for moving, makes everything easier, at least the performance to the downside on the dollar index. And you can see here actually acceleration of the CDLX stance. It stands right now is faster than the AB. Which is also bearish sign. On the 10-year yield, finally market has completed this downside drop yesterday. Our 3.8 target, which is the XOP on the daily chart, that also was negative for the dollar. This drop has decreased and correspondingly supportive to all other markets. So everything that we have said on the gold market, on the euro currency, on the Japanese yen, on Tuesday, on the Great British Pound, everything is going and start moving in this direction. Yen is falling, cable is rising. As gold and euro, you'll see what is going on. So today we will take a look at the details with these markets. So starting from the euro currency, let's take a look. Here are a few moments to discuss. First of all, market has passed through the two targets without any response, as you can see. So market just exceeded the COP and 107th extension of the butterfly. So this is a bullish sign. So even on the two in this double target, we do not see any downside retracement. Next destination point on the daily chart, major destination stands at the OP, which is around 113 area. It's 112.90. But also we have here intermediate target of the 1618 extension of the butterfly. It's around 1198. We can say 112. So probably we should focus on this first. Besides accompanied with the daily overbought. I do not know currently whether this market will be able to reach it this week. It's just 2 sessions until the holidays. Probably not. But actually overall pace and the dynamic that we see here looks really nice. On the euro currency, we have the same story. Right above the market, we do not have any FIB levels. So from this downside action, all FIB levels already are broken. CDLX also shows the acceleration in the same manner as the dollar index. So overall, situation looks bullish in the mid-term perspective. On the 4-hour time frame chart, in other moments that we have, it's mostly the same as on the daily, because here actually we have the same picture, just of the smaller scale, the same ABCD pattern. But this time, here market has passed for this, not just the COP, but it also has broken for the 1618 extension of the butterfly. So we could say that this butterfly that we have here has failed. Usually when the butterfly fails, because market hasn't shown any minor pullback here. Usually when it fails miserably. What does it mean? It means that when you see the failed butterfly, you could suggest that upward action should continue. And this might be even on a significant instance. On the 4-hour time frame chart, our nearest target stands the completion, this major target of this head and shoulders that we are talking about. And this is the OP, 1175. So as you could see, this target, 1175, stands very close to the 1618 extension of the butterfly on the daily chart was 1198. So just 25 pips difference. So we could say mostly they stand in the same area. And I think that we could focus on it. On the hourly chart, I do not see something really special. It's just because all upside targets have been broken. If you remember yesterday, we have here some XOP, stands slightly lower right there. So all of them have been taken out. And here the only thing that we could keep an eye on is just the fib levels that market could try to touch if some pullback will happen. In the current environment, when we see so strong action on the higher time frames, 4 time frame chart, daily chart, and market not at the important target, market is not at overbought, the pullback should be moderate. It should not be too strong. That's why I think that these two levels are most probable that should hold on any retracement. So we're watching for 1080 and this 1050 conference support. So these are probably the only levels that we will need. If market will drop lower, in this case it will drop below the lows of the week, because here's the open gap of this week. Gap has been closed, the market started upward direction. If it will drop below it, it will erase all the performance of this week, and actually this will be too fast drop because just 2 sessions until the end of the week. So and this will close it and drop below the lows of this week. This will be a very negative sign. So in the current environment that we have, well, it should look irrational. Only if some external factors will intrude in the performance, something vital will happen. So maybe EUR could change the trend, but normally with the based on the technical background, we should not get too deep retracements. Probably these two levels should be enough, or even higher standing if you will use the fib levels right from these lows, for example. Also possible. So maybe even small retracement could be. So that's actually in 2 words that we have now. We do not consider any shorts. We set the target around 1075, 1098. Sorry, 1175, 1198, so 112 approximately. And well, currently context stands bullish. The only thing that we could get is just a minor pullback that might be considered for possible taking the long position. Those of you who have longs, just think about managing the stops. It's the usual routine work that we do when we have the position. That's actually all what we could say currently on euro currency. So let's see.